My name is Kizzy Crawford and I'm a singer-songwriter.
My name's Gwilym Simcock and I'm a piano player and composer.
And we've been collaborating on a project called Birdsong, which is supported by the RSPB and inspired by a rainforest in Powys in Wales called Carngafacht. And all the songs we've written are inspired by the wildlife, the birds and the plants, everything which lives in the forest.
We've put together a programme of music which encompasses all the different seasons and the sort of migrational habits and the general behaviour of the birds and the wildlife throughout the different seasons at the rainforest. And that was a brilliant starting point for inspiration. Just like sort of being here outside, it's a great starting point, and also for ourselves as musicians. Coming from slightly different backgrounds, maybe it's a really exciting project to bring together some different styles of music with this beautiful theme to work from.
Absolutely.
The programme of music which covers all the seasons and how they affect the rainforest and how they affect the birds and the wildlife that live in the rainforest, and that's been it's kind of a rich seam of inspiration to start writing music from. And it's been really fun for us to work together for the first time because we come from slightly different musical backgrounds, and actually having that kind of cross-fertilisation of different directions with music I think has been a really rewarding experience and something that we're really excited about. And we're going to be performing some concerts of this music that we've created in the first half of November, a lot in Wales, and also a concert in the London Jazz Festival. And we're very excited about sharing this music with you all.